Hey guys, it's Dr. Diaz again. We have Dr. Michelle here who's now at our Woodbridge location and she's going to demonstrate some chiropractic adjustments on me. So I'm going to go ahead and lay face prone.
Yes. So for my usual visit, I used Thompson technique, and it's a gentle way of adjusting people. All right, Dr. Diaz, I'm gonna have your pelvic adjusted, and for that I'm gonna use a table. It's a drop table.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna need you to do is come down just a bit. That's good. Now the part of table that's right under your pelvic gonna come up, and it's gonna drop with me pushing on your pelvis. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go. And we're gonna do that 2 more times.
Okay.
Good. Let me just check to make sure we got everything. And you're level. That's good. Let's just move on through the spine now. All right. Take a deep breath in and all the way out.
Oh, good.
Go ahead and lift your head for me.
Oh, nice.
All right, Dr. Diaz.
Thank
You're
you.
all level.
Thank you.